Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to configure the default domain password policy in Active Directory. This is a critical security setting for every organization. Why password policy is important? Without a strong password policy, users set weak passwords. High risk of hacking. Compliance issues. With policy, strong passwords enforced. Regular password change. Account lockout protection. Step 1. Open Group Policy Management. Step 2. Edit Default Domain Policy. Step 3. Password Policy Settings. Go to Computer Configuration. Click Policies. Click Windows Settings. Open Security Settings. Click Account Policies. Click Password Policy. Configure important settings. Step 5. Apply policy. Run command on client. Run group policy. Step 6. Test policy. Important note. Default domain policy applies to all domain users. You should not create multiple password policies here. For different policies use fine-grained password policy. That's how you configure the default domain password policy in Active Directory. If this helped, please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more IT tutorials. Thanks for watching.